Okay, so in a previous video, I showed you how to do that tote bag with the inside name, the first name, knocked out or sliced out. I'm going to use the word sliced out from the last name, only because I used Glitter HTV, which is thicker, and you don't want to overlay anything on top of it. So what I did was, I did the name all together here. I'm going to hide this one, because that's my spare. I always keep a spare when I'm working with things. So I'm just going to hide those, and I'm going to use this one to do the slicing, okay? So here you go. So here we go. So we set it where we want it. This is, it's exactly where I want it to sit, height-wise, length-wise, the whole bit. And then we're going to highlight both, and then hit slice. So what that's doing is it's cutting out the name from the black area. You'll start seeing that it's all cut out. We've got all these pieces everywhere, but this is what we're looking for right here. This is what I'm looking for. That's the gravy. So you can delete these. Just delete them out of the system. I'm going to click on them and just delete them. Then we're going to unhide the ones that we had. Okay, so I'll bring the new one down here. And here's the one that I kept whole, because this is the one that I want to actually use to cut, right? I want that one in whole. Whoops, let me put that to the front. Move forward. So that when I do cut it, it's going to sit properly and perfectly right as you see here. It's not going to be any overlap. It's not going to be touching the glitter underneath. It's going to be able to sit properly on that tote bag as it should be, okay? And that's how we do it. So then you hit cut or make it, and do this one on the custom cutting, which is the Glitter HTV. And then I changed the settings to just regular HTV to cut this one. Remember to mirror it, and then you're good to go. And then you can overlay them, okay? For more information, be sure to visit my Aunty Crafty page, and come on and join the Aunty Crafty group. Thanks all. Have a great day. Bye.